Welcome to the Revolution 11 video series, setting up a cloud account and hooking up a smart thing. Part 1, creating an AWS account. Hi, this is Jim from Revolution 11. I'll be leading you through this video series. Let's get going. In this video series, we're going to be hooking up an AWS IoT button. Out of the box, you can hook it up to send an email or an SMS. We'll be getting into more advanced use cases of the button a little later on. But to get started, we need to create an AWS account. So before we begin, you'll want to have a couple things on hand. A credit card. We'll be signing up for the free tier trial account, but you'll need a credit card to get going. A root owner's email address. This is the account that you will use to give others access to AWS and enable them to work with AWS resources. We also want to have a separate email for a developer's account. It's a best practice to only use the root account to assign roles and resources, not as a development account. We won't be setting up the developer's account until the third video in this series, and I'll explain why we are doing things this way in the next video. Okay, let's get rolling. Since we are setting up our account to work with the AWS IoT button, we're going to do the first two parts of this video series completely on the phone. Open up the box containing the button and pull out the instructions. Be careful not to damage the barcodes on the end of the box. We'll be using those later. On the first page of the booklet in the box, you'll see a QR code. Scan that with your camera if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, you may have to download a QR scanning app. When prompted, open up the website associated with the QR code. The AWS IoT button page should open up on your phone's browser. Scroll down to the How It Works section and click on Sign Up Now. Type in an AWS account name and the email address of the root user and scroll down. Enter and confirm a password and press Continue. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your contact details. Enter your address and then scroll down. Enter your zip code and phone number, agree to the terms, and click on Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your payment information. Enter a credit card and then scroll down. Choose to use your contact address as your billing address or enter a new billing address and click on Continue. We are going to confirm our identity next with an SMS. Enter the characters from the image into the field below, enter your cell phone number, and press Send SMS. Enter the verification code you received from AWS and press Continue. You should receive a success message. Click on Continue. Next, we'll be asked to pick a support plan. I'm going to choose the basic free plan. Click on it to learn a little more. Click on Select Basic Plan, and you should end up on this welcome page while your AWS account is spinning up. You will receive 2 emails while your account is being created. The first is a welcome AWS email. The second email will come from AWS support. And finally, when your account is ready, you will get an email that looks something like this. Congratulations, you have successfully set up an AWS account. next time on setting up a cloud account and hooking up a SmartThing. Part 2, configuring the AWS IoT button. See you then. Do you need help getting started with the cloud or IoT? Contact Revolution 11. We'd love to chat.